Alright guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. I am happy to bring you more accessories on the iPad Mini 6. Now this is the 8.3 version, so this is their new version of the iPad Mini. So hit the link down below. You can grab this case combo. This is probably one of the best ones I've seen yet. It's going to be interesting to check this out. I appreciate them sending this over for review. So this is a wireless keyboard setup with a case. So we're going to check it out here. This is what you get right here. You get a nice case and you get an attachable keyboard. And so when you look at this, you know, you're like, wow, this is so small, but I think it's going to be nice, man. So let's go ahead. This is the manuals you get, instructions, and here is the case. Then you get a cable right here. Is this a Type C? Yep, Type C cable. And then that's all you get in the box. Now, let's get this open. Nice weight to it. Nice weight. So this will pop open like this, and then it attaches like this with these ports right here to get the keyboard portion on it. That's really nice. Oh, and it's magnetic too. So yeah, that's great. So you don't have to fight with it. Yeah, so you can just type away. Now I've got my hand can cover this entire keyboard right here. So just bear that in mind. But if you got smaller hands, and I think I'll be able to make this work. So let me get this paired up. But first let's try on the case. Here is my iPad Mini. One thing I would like to see is a spot for the pen. Oh, there it is right there. Boom. Okay, great. So spoke too soon. So it's going to slide in like this, and then my pen attaches right there. Boom. I got my spot open for my fingerprint reader. So around the top here, you got your speaker grills, fingerprint reader, and you have the power or the volume rocker. And then you got your ports open on the bottom down here. Get it slapped in place. And then this is the other portion here for the magnetic portion to go in. So the fingerprint reader works well. It's weighted right. I like it. Very nice. So now we got to get this powered up. There's a power button on the side right here. You turn it on. Now let's go to Bluetooth right here. Let's see if we can find it. All right, so just like I thought here, function C at the same time, and it'll go into pairing mode, and then you'll see it pop up. So we're gonna go function C. There we go. It's blinking, and there's keyboard. And that's that. So it'll be paired up. And the keyboard is paired. So now I'm going to go into the browser here. Go to Google. And let's see. Oh yeah, the keyboard is really nice, folks. Nice traveling feedback. It is a little tight because of you know, how big my hands are. I mean, you look at this, but this is actually really nice, and I got a spot for my pen on top. Wow, I can just use my pen if I want to. Very nice. All right, so we got a magnetic port for the pen right here. You got a magnetic port for the pen right here. You can see access on the back camera right there. This is a nice setup. And then when you don't want to use the keyboard, you just detach it and you have just a regular case. That is nice. Yeah, you can just pop it off right there, and then you're back into regular case mode. Pops back on. It's weighted just right to where it's not too heavy. Yeah, the color is gray. Obviously, I have a Starlight iPad Mini. But this is right. It's ready. I mean, it's really nice. You get the little feedback here for when you turn it. You have it open like this. It can sit like this here. Fingerprint reader is good to go. So we're focusing on the keyboard right now, but you can see all the function keys. You can see all the things you can do with it here. You can go function here and lock it if you wanted to. And you got lots of function keys up here for brightness. Let's go here. Oh, that's your brightness on your screen. So it doesn't look like this keyboard is backlit for now. Let's see here. Now, it doesn't look like the keyboard is backlit, but still, this is going to be pretty nice. I know I don't know if it's because the lights are on it too much, but no, it does. I don't see any function keys to do brightness, but I'll read the manual again. But you've got your brightness for your iPad here. You got your volume here on the keyboard. You got your track and pause and play. So it's ready to go. You got copy and paste, lots of functions up here. I really like this right here. So you got to go home, you just do function and then the top left key right there. So this is a go, man. I mean, this keyboard, as I give you a closer look here, it's actually laid out a nice QWERTY keyboard. It's a little tiny because this is a tiny screen on here and a tiny product. So, but this is going to be nice for portability, and it's got some grip to it, or not so much grip, I guess. It's got some heft to it, which makes it feel a little bit different. And feels like it's good premium. You can see the feet on the bottom here, and that's it. So you get the battery sizes right here. You can see 200 milliamps, 5 volts. So it's gonna be pretty nice. So there it is, folks. It's your man Jay. Something finally for the iPad mini. The accessories are coming in. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Hope you enjoyed a quick unboxing and first look at this keyboard combination. Take care.